All right, for the next couple minutes, I'm going to be talking about the Bible and science. First thing I just want to throw out there before anybody get crazy, they got to work together. They got to work together. One thing that's proper Christian understanding is that science and the Bible complement each other all day long. All right. I want y'all to know something right now. I want my atheists to listen real quick. It's very important y'all hear this. Back then when the Bible was written and back then the understanding of the world, the scientific belief of how it rained was that there was a dome above the earth, and in order for rain to come forth, something had to be open. What the Hebrews did was take that scientific theory and attribute it to Yahweh. We today, having a better understanding, having more scientific technology and whatnot, we have found the fact, and we know that there's a water cycle. And so we've taken and gotten rid of that scientific theory, came up with scientific fact, and we as Christians and believers, we attribute the water cycle, our scientific fact, to God. And so what we do as Christians is look at all scientific fact, understanding, and phenomena through the scope of our scripture, through the scope of our tradition and our faith. So when we see something that is clearly scientific fact, we look at it and say, it must be because of God. And I want you to know that we do not turn a blind eye to science at all. We understand things are true. However, we will not turn aside from our faith and say that, oh, because science is here, faith cannot exist. We look at reason through the scope of faith. Faith cannot stand without reason. Reason cannot stand without faith. And one thing that's a paradox, I should say, pay attention, because many times our faith can seem not to have any reason, while at the same time it has all the reason it needs. That's what faith is in the first place. So I hope I said something. I'm trying not to go too long. If you have any questions, just go ahead and post. I'm going to be doing a lot of these. And so, yeah, God bless you. Hope I'm teaching somebody. I'm sure I am. Maybe starting up a debate. Let's keep it respectful, though. God bless you.